Hi everyone! Have you ever thought about how much potential you have inside of you? Some people seem to just naturally get ahead in life, while others struggle with everything they do. It can be easy to feel like you not living up to your potential if you don't have the success that you want. But here's the thing. Most people are blind to their own potential and their nothing wrong with you. You are not the problem. The problem is that you're re-looking at the world through the lens of what you think you should do, not what you actually want to do. And it is easy to get lost in this trap. Because we all want to think that we are special, and we all want to think that we have a special destiny in life. But the truth is, most people don't know what they really want, and so they never go after it. They just sort of drift through life hoping that someday things will just magically work out for them. Now, I'm not saying that you have to have your whole life planned out from the day that you're reborn, but I'm just saying that you need to have some direction in life. You need to have some idea of what you want to do and then go after it with everything you've got. Otherwise, you'll just end up like 99% of people who live their entire lives without ever achieving anything significant. So if you're feeling like you're not living up to your potential right now, I want you to remember two things. First, you are not alone. Most people are in the same boat as you. They just don't realize it. And second, there is nothing wrong with you. You are not broken. You just need to find your passion and then go after it with everything you've got. Now, I know that this might sound easy in theory, but in practice it can be extremely difficult to figure out what you're really passionate about and then actually go after it. That's why I created a free course called the Six-Figure Launch System. This course is going to teach you how to launch a successful online business in less than 1 hour. And the best part is that it's completely free. All I ask in return for this free education is that you cover the cost of shipping when you order it. So head over to the website and sign up for your free course today. Now, let's get back to the video. One of the biggest reasons why most people are blind to their potential is because they spend too much time worrying about what other people think. They're so concerned with fitting in and being liked that they never take any risks. They never go after the things that they really want. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't care about what other people think. Of course, you should care about what your friends and family think. But if you're spending too much time worrying about what random strangers on the internet think, then you're going to be stuck in a never-ending cycle of mediocrity. You are never gonna be able to break out and achieve the success that you want if you are too busy worrying about what other people think. Another reason why most people are blind to their potential is because they spend too much time comparing themselves to other people. You're gonna get into a lot of trouble if you start comparing your chapter one to somebody else. As chapter 20, everyone is at a different stage in life. Everyone has different experiences different backgrounds, and different sets of skills. The only person you should be comparing yourself to is the person you were yesterday. If you're making progress every single day, then you're on the right track. The last reason why most people are blind to their potential is because they spend too much time focusing on the negative. When you focus on the negative, you're going to attract more negativity into your life. You're going to see problems everywhere. So if you want to be able to see your potential, then you need to start focusing on the positive. You need to look for solutions, not problems. In conclusion, most people are blind to their potential because they look at the world through the lens of what they think they should do, not what they actually want to do. There's nothing wrong with you. You are not the problem. The problem is that you're looking at the world through the wrong lens. So what do you want to do? Because I know I want to show you the world through my lens. So keep watching.